I'm not going to lie to you, backstroke is my favorite stroke, and I want you to like it too. So here's an entertaining backstroke workout for you to try. This workout is 1,850 meters or yards long. Or if you want to make it shorter, do the main set once and it will be 1,350 meters or yards long. Of course, we will begin by doing 20 arm circles backwards. Now, get in the pool and do a 200 of the stroke of your choice. Then 150 kick on your back. Now, to do that technique set, do 425s one arm backstroke. Then 225s two arm backstroke. Continue by doing 425s dragging your fingers on the surface. This will help you put your arms in the right position to pull. Then focus on your kick and how it rotates by doing 225s one stroke and pause for 10 kicks. For the main set, we will do this twice. Do 425s of the best backstroke technique you can manage, counting your strokes. Then do 425s counting your kicks. This is a little bit more difficult, but try counting how many times you kick with one leg and multiply that by 2. Then do 650s, one freestyle and one backstroke. The deal here is that you need to do the backstroke one at the same speed as you did the freestyle one right before it. Of course, this will take more effort, but I assure you that it can be done. To warm down, do 150 double arm backstroke easy, then 100 freestyle and finish with a 50 easy kick. Remember that you can download this workout on a PDF format by clicking here, or click here to watch this backstroke video that will help you do this workout. See you there, swim fast!